and welcome back to the ClearMoon Academy. My name is Nikolina and today we will be learning how to interact with PanCake Swap. So what is PanCake Swap? PanCake Swap is a decentralized exchange or DEX that runs on the Binance Smart Chain. PanCake Swap is what we call an automated market maker, meaning it is a DEX protocol that does not rely on any order book. It is supported by liquidity pools to enable trading. Users deposit funds to receive liquidity provider tokens or LP tokens, which can be used to reclaim shares of the pool. You may be asking yourself, what exactly can I do on PanCake Swap? Well, PanCake Swap has many features. First of all, swapping or trading on PanCake Swap allows users to trade any BEP20 tokens in a fully decentralized public marketplace. Farming also allows users to deposit their LP tokens and lock them up to earn rewards for providing liquidity. So, is PanCake Swap safe? Crypto will always have intrinsic risks, especially in a fully decentralized atmosphere. PanCake Swap's protocol itself is safe to use, but it is up to you as an investor to trade safely. So what are some benefits of DeFi protocols? Less initial investment, potentially large profits, no middleman, and fully accessible to the public. Ready to start trading? Not so fast. Let's make sure you're properly set up. In the previous lessons, you learned how to set up your wallet. Now we have to be sure you have enough BNB to pay for your tokens and any gas fees or slippage. If you are using Trust Wallet, you can buy BNB directly using your credit card in the application. Or if you are on an exchange, you will need to buy BNB and send it to your wallet. So, what is the best way to purchase tokens on PanCake Swap? Well, BNB is widely used for purchases via PanCake Swap, but you can also use BUSD for purchases as well. BUSD is a stable coin that is pegged to the US dollar and backed by Binance. Alright, now that you have loaded up your wallet with BNB, let's connect to PanCake Swap. Open up PanCake Swap Finance on your browser. In the top right corner, you will see a Connect Wallet button. You will be prompted to connect to the site. Just click Connect and you are ready to exchange tokens for BNB or BUSD. Before you start trading, let us cover some important information. What is slippage? Slippage is the difference between the expected price of a trade and the executed price of the trade. This is relative to price impact as well as the tax per transaction that is built into the smart contract. For example, ClearMoon has a 10% tax when buying and the 20% sales tax built into the smart contract. Thus, we must change the slippage to 10% when buying and 20% when selling. Alright, now let's get into swapping tokens. With a massive influx of new projects emerging every day on the BSC network, you may find that the coin you want to buy is not yet listed on PanCake Swap. But don't panic. You can simply find and verify the contract address of the project. Simply paste the contract address of the project you are looking for in the To or From section. Next, press the Import button and confirm that you understand the risk waiver. Click Import. Proceed to purchase. Now that your wallet is connected and you have an ample amount of BNB for fees and some BUSD purchases, of course if you prefer, choose the token you want to exchange from in the drop-down menu. Then, upon choosing the coin, you will see the balance. Make sure you have enough to trade with. And next, you will choose the token you want to exchange to, type the desired amount. PanCake Swap will estimate your from amount automatically. This works vice versa by typing your from amount first, which will automatically estimate the to amount. Next, click Swap. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. That's all there is to it. But let's dig in a little deeper. Check out the next slide to learn about slippage. If you find this video useful, let us know in comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!